Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gargi. Today I'll be creating this beautiful glam eyeliner look. So if you like it, please keep on watching. We will start with our eyes first. I am prepping my eyes with in color concealer stick in the shade light. I'm applying it all over my eyelids and blending it with my fingers. To set the concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade Ivory 115. By using this tape, we will make a sharp wing eyeliner with the help of Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the shade Black. You can see how I am applying it, taking it all over to my eyebrow. At the end of the eyebrow, I'm using this brush to smudge my kajal very lightly. Do it very lightly, otherwise you will hurt your eyes. You can see how I am doing it, smudging it till the end of my eyebrows. Taking these two brown colors on a dense blending brush and smudging or blending the outer edges of the kajal and giving it a brown shade. Using this black one, I am topping it on the kajal and taking that white shimmer shade, applying it halfway through my lids. Now removing the fallout with the wet wipes after removing the tape. Moving on to our face, I am prepping my skin with the help of a toner, rose water and then aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel मेरी skin को बहुत सूट करता है and also it gives a soothing effect, means cooling effect. That's why also I like it. Blending it all over my face. Now the turn of the moisturizer. I am using Nivea Soft Blossom Moisturizer and blending it, putting it all over my face. It also gives me a very hydration. That's why I love to apply this. Using NY base primer. Primer is very important before doing makeup because आपके पोर्स अगर खुले हुए होंगे तो ओपन होंगे तो सारा मेकअप जो है वो आपकी स्किन में सिंक इन हो जाएगा एंड वी डोंट वांट आवर मेकअप to get into our pores. So I am blending it very nicely. After that, I have used the Stellary concealer palette. I am hiding my biggest pimple on my face with the green concealer. Blend your concealer very nicely, otherwise वो crease हो जाएगा and your base will look cakey. Now applying Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115 Ivory. Warming it up on the back of your hand is very important because अगर हम warm up नहीं करेंगे तो thick रह जाएगा and it will not blend nicely or seamlessly. So dotting it on my whole face and blending it again very nicely, seamlessly, softly and setting it with the Maybelline's Fit Me powder, the one I have used before. अंडर आइज़ को सबसे अच्छे से सेट करना है बिकॉज इट टेंड्स टू क्रीज वेरी मच एंड सेटिंग माई होल फेस with the same powder. Applying the kajal on my lower waterline. Will smudge this with the black eyeshadow. For bronzer, I'm using Rimmel London's bronzer. It gives a very sun-kissed look, natural look. You can see how I am applying it. You can apply it on your forehead, but I don't like it. For a flush of color, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Ballerina blusher. It's a very soft baby pink color. You can see how my cheeks are looking very natural. Camera is not picking up the color, but that was a very beautiful shade. Highlighting my high points with the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, having 4 shades of blush and 4 shades of highlighter. Very beautiful palette, also very affordable. You can choose the shade of highlighter according to your skin tone, fair, medium or dark. इसलिए मैंने गोल्डन वाला लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज इन अ मूड ऑफ टेकिंग गोल्डन हाईलाइटर. रोज़ पिंक मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था सो मैंने वो लिया एंड नाउ यूजिंग दोज 2 ब्राउन शेड्स आई एम फिलिंग माई आईब्रोज। इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती मुझे अपनी आईब्रोज फिल करने की बिकॉज काफ़ी थिक हैं ऑलरेडी. So I am highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter I used for highlighting my high points, using the Fashion Colors lip pencil in the shade Baby Pink and taking my Glam Lit lipstick in the shade Sugar Mama. It's a very beautiful orangish peach nude color, पर ये pink दिख रहा है कैमरे में. So I'm topping it with the Lakme brown lipstick, and yes, it gives me a beautiful nude color. You can see the transition, and yes, we are done with the video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.